Hi, welcome back. This is Mark and Lucky coming back to talk to you again tonight about paint colors, choice of paint colors versus the sales price for your home. Now again, this is based on a Zillow study. It's not a hard and fast rule. We've talked about some of these before in previous videos about different rooms and the impact that the choice of paint color can have versus price. Tonight we're going to talk about dining rooms. If you haven't looked at the other videos, check them out. We're going to have a couple more videos to go in this series after this evening. But again, it's based on a Zillow study and it's not a scientific study. So there's no hard and fast rules here. But let's get right into it. Dining rooms is what we're talking about tonight. And the most popular color, according to the Zillow study for dining rooms, was a blue, like a slate blue, to a pale gray blue or even a navy blue. And the price point was significant in there. It was a little over $1,900 more for homes that had those pale blue dining rooms versus the standard sort of off-white color that you often see in homes that go up for sale. Everyone paints everything sort of off-white. Now, the least popular color, according to the study, was a red, like a brick red or a terracotta or a copper red. And again, significant difference there. The difference in price point was a little over $2,000 versus the standard sort of off-white. Now, when you look at the difference between the red and the blue, that spread is almost $4,000. So something to think about. But don't think if you've got a red dining room that you have to go ahead and change it to blue. Again, it's not a scientific study, so there's no guarantee that if you do that, that you're going to get $4,000 more for your home. But it is something interesting to think about. If it were me, like my dining room is red below the chair rail, I'm not going to change it because it just kind of goes nice with the color above the chair rail. So those are things to think about too. They didn't look at color combinations, just one solid color. Anyway, that's it. I'm starting to ramble and I've hit the 2-minute mark. So I'm going to sign off and get Lucky to say goodnight. No, he's tuckered out. Anyway, we'll talk to you again. We'll talk in a couple more videos about exterior colors and about living rooms. Until then, have a great day.